To do a long section with a geometry string, we use model, long sections, and we select the option for geometry. Next, and here we choose the geometry string we want to use. We can also add additional strings, which I'm going to select, and I might want to put the channels in on my long section as well. Next, it's asking me now for the background models that are loaded, which ones I want to show on the long section. I'm going to show both. Now that's a preview of the long section. I'll go to print and use this button here to draw the section window, and I click once, drag the box and click again, and there's my section. I'm going to set the scales to something I want, 1 to 500, and now we can see we've got the geometry. We've got an option here to put the geometry on, horizontal and vertical geometry, and different elements of the long section. We can have drop lines, and we can choose to have multiple plot spaces in the long section window. And then the header is customizable, so is the footer. So we'll go to print, and we can see the printout in my PDF writer.